Welcome to the Bitcoin.com weekly update. My name is Corbin Fraser. Today's Friday, October 23rd, and this week we'll be talking all about how PayPal just started accepting cryptocurrency in a very big way. We've got some more Bitcoin news as well before that, which we're going to cover for you right now. Bitcoin breaks $13,000, extending its streak of consecutive days above 10K. The price of BTC found some support just under $13,000 this week and has stayed above the 10K mark for a record-breaking 90 consecutive days. The market reacted positively to the news that PayPal would be bringing its millions of users into the cryptocurrency space, and just about every coin in existence saw a decent little rise in price as a result. Bezos versus Bitcoin's creator. With the price of Bitcoin currently hovering around $13,000, Satoshi's BTC stash is worth a cool $12 billion right now, making them the 157th richest person in the world, without even counting their Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV. It's still a far cry from Jeff Bezos' $175 billion, but if the price of Bitcoin increases 13 times, Satoshi would become the world's richest person. Is there a major financial reset on the horizon? Kristalina Georgieva, the managing director of the IMF's Washington, D.C. branch, warned of a major financial reset and called for a new Bretton Woods moment earlier this week. If you didn't know, Bretton Woods was the World War II era agreement between the US, the Allies, as well as Japan, which established the modern monetary system that we live in today. Although the Bretton Woods agreement was monumental, it'll be interesting to see if the IMF still has the same influence and ability to impact policy such as how it did in years past. Huge amounts of Bitcoin being moved from exchanges. So since June of this year, 187,000 Bitcoins worth $2 billion have been taken off of exchanges. So we've seen prime examples of past exchanges being hacked, such as Mt. Gox, Bitfinex, Coincheck, all of which were hacked for billions of dollars. So it's great to see some more people taking their cryptocurrency off of these centralized exchanges and bringing them into their non-custodial wallets. So if you're looking for a great non-custodial solution for your cryptocurrency, go check out the link below in the description. Try out the Bitcoin.com wallet. It's free to download, free to use. It's one of the fastest, most pleasant experiences you'll have in cryptocurrency. Take it for a spin today. Guarantee you'll love it. Next up, we've got the big news, the fun news, the news you're probably watching this video for. PayPal is finally opening up to crypto folks. So the company recently announced that US customers will be able to buy Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, as well as Litecoin on their platform in the coming weeks. Also, starting early next year, customers will be able to spend their Bitcoin at any of PayPal's 22 million vendors across the world, with the vendors being compensated in the fiat currency of their choice. People have been asking when Bitcoin will finally go mainstream, but I think it's safe to say, as of today, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, it's officially mainstream. I think PayPal's adoption of it is a big sign. It's huge validation for everyone that's been involved in the cryptocurrency space for the past 10 plus years. This is just a huge week for everyone, and I think we're seeing the prices rise as a result of that. There are, of course, caveats, though, with this announcement. So support for cryptocurrencies will be exclusive to US customers at first, with the service launching in other countries at an undisclosed date in the future. A bigger caveat, though, is once you get the okay to actually get crypto on your PayPal account, you're going to have to keep your coins in their wallet on their platform, as well as actually spend it using their app to their vendors. So PayPal will not only have custody of your coins, but you will not be able to take them off of their platform. So you buy the crypto through PayPal, you spend it, and it's kind of end of story. So there's also rumblings that PayPal is looking to acquire other crypto firms, with some outlets reporting that they are looking at Bitcoin custodian company BitGo. So it's quite apparent that the higher-ups at PayPal are looking to make a big play into the world of cryptocurrencies, but I think it's that ability to hold and use your cryptocurrency and use your Bitcoin, which is what actually makes it such a unique type of currency in the first place. So I really hope that in the future Bitcoin will reconsider their stance on doing these custodian type wallets, but I kind of understand from their point of view, especially given how regulated they are in their space. They're probably forced to do this custodianship. So there's of course hardcore privacy people and hardcore Bitcoin users that are kind of snubbing their noses at this whole big announcement as like it's not that big of a deal. They're not really using the real Bitcoin kind of thing. And yeah, while I get their point, it's not ideal, but it's still a huge announcement from a wider cryptocurrency marketplace like I said, it's validation that, that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is mainstream now. PayPal is using it, and I think this opens up more doors for other traditional financial institutions and other kind of neobank-like applications such as PayPal or Square or Stripe or any of these other things to actually start using cryptocurrency, start adding it to their platform, let users participate in this really exciting space. So these technologies, I think, are supposed to give people the freedom to manage and spend their own money any way they see fit, which is why most of us are into cryptocurrency in the first place. And I think the idea that, getting sandboxed into a platform is kind of dangerous. But with that being said, having a big funnel, whether that's from, getting people into PayPal, my hope is that people will do a little bit of self-learning. They'll educate themselves as they continue to buy different types of cryptocurrencies on those platforms, and then hopefully migrate away to these non-custodial financial solutions such as the Bitcoin.com wallet or potentially any of these other non-custodial services that don't require you to have or to give away custodianship of your coins to a third party or to a bank or to anyone else. So yeah, I really hope that once PayPal customers start using this new feature that it's going to be a big growth opportunity for everyone in this space. Any other company, any other wallet, I think this is kind of a big play for the whole cryptocurrency space. Everyone's excited. It's been all the news for the last week now, just with people talking on Twitter. Everyone's really excited. Let us know in the comments, what do you think about PayPal adding Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin to their platforms? What will you be using? Will you be buying it using their platform? Are you going to take it for a spin? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe, make sure you like it, and share this video with your friends. Let them know that all those times you've talked about Bitcoin at the dinner table and annoyed people, you're not crazy. PayPal just said so. So we'll see you guys next week. Thanks.